Just look at the smile on your face. What are those two then?
They're yellow.
Poke a nice face for us. Show us how nice a face you can poke.
Oh, I'm in the shadow here. I can't
No,
see.
stay there. Shake your head. Do you want to say something? Say something to you when you're 20 years older. Say hi, Angie, who's 30 years old. Go on. Say hello to your kids.
Hello, kids.
Tell them that you hope they're behaving themselves while they're watching this. That's not that. Come on, talk to them. Tell them to behave themselves like you behave yourself. Come on, your kids aren't hearing much from you.
Do you enjoy ironing, Ange?
How do you like your husband?
Great.
Is he? Not sick of him? How long have you been married now?
10 years.
10 years. And how many kids have you got?
3.
What are their names?
You must love them.
They're sitting here watching here. You can't even remember their names.
Don't know what I'll call them yet.
What do you mean yet? They're sitting in front of the telly watching this now.
Maybe you've only got 2. Maybe got 2 birds.
Do you want me to turn this off, do you? Well, give yourself and all your kids a big smile and a wave and tell them to make sure they go to bed early tonight. Tell them.